So nevertheless, you can also do the same thing as related to pass or fail, like when we're talking about customizing. Though this is not a very nice option. The last option was actually what I showed us using v look table, or also using calculating it using the conditional statement. But like what I'm trying to say, assuming you want to also format pass or fail, that can also be achieved. So in that case, I'm just going to put something like let me reduce this number to like 20. So what you can do is the same thing. You can also format it if you want to go to grade, and then you press this. Then in here you select the whole number the way you select, and press Ctrl 1 as we go. So you go to the customizing, go to general, and then repeat the same thing we did. But in this case, you might just choose to use fail instead of using that thumbs. Now, how do you get this done in this case? So you still have to do the same thing we did earlier, which is either you start, but in this case I'm just going to start with color. So that's just what I want to do different. So in this case I'm just going to put the same thing and color, and then we are still using color 10, and then I close it up, and then I open up again, and I say any number that is greater than 50. Yeah, so I say any number that is greater than 50. Then in this case I will close it up again when it is greater than this. So write it pass. So then in that pass, remember this is what is different. So I'm putting the same the apostrophe up, two of them. So I'm going to put here pass, and then now remember semicolon, and then you go again and still say color. So I open up again and say color 3, and I will close it up, and now do the same thing again, and then put fill the number, just put it fill here, and then what do you need to do? So with this particular statement where you say this and this, that's going to, so when you press OK, so that's going to change to instead of you doing it manually. So if you see here 23, I see here, so instead of you typing it manually by saying 50 pass, 70 pass, this not pass, sort of things like that, so you can do this and see that the color here is showing you red. So this is a way you can do that, which is what like our last some time ago where we do VLOOKUP, and at the same time we did using conditional set. That is best, but I just wanted to talk about this because you can also format pass or fail using the customized format. So that's just what it is. So if you have a question, you can go ahead and ask me.